What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another stream today. Bitcoin back up to 53,500 as we speak. We got as high as 54,000, almost 500 today. So Bitcoin continuing its bounce from yesterday. Hope y'all had a awesome, and yes, I said y'all. I'm trying to use the word y'all a little bit more. I don't know why. I just like saying it. It makes me feel like I'm from the country and from a nice climate rather than being up here in Massachusetts. But I hope y'all are having a really good Monday today. I know Monday usually sucks for most people because, hey, I mean, it's the typical work day. But what's going on, Prometheus, Andre, Jazz? What's going on, guys? What's going on, Alex? We got Jennifer. We got Rosemary. What's going on, Rosemary? What's going on with Bitcoin? All right, let's jump on into it, guys. Let's not waste any more time here with me blabbling on, okay? So let's take a look at what we have here. So we know yesterday we got this giant green dildo, one of the biggest 4-hour green dildos that we've seen going back really since, I mean, this was the biggest 4-hour green dildo we had since, I want to say, man, you got to go way back. Maybe all the way back from February. This is the biggest 4-hour green dildo. But yeah, we smashed right through our 4-hour EMA. Right freaking through our 4-hour EMA. And and then we just continued up, right? We're slowly continuing up on the 4-hour time frame. We have gotten rejected at a pretty critical area. If we look up here, guys, you guys can see we've had a lot of support in this general area. Really a lot of support. Even looking left, you guys can see how critical this level was as support. And right now we're flipping it as resistance. And I do expect us to probably get a slight little pullback here, maybe back to the 4-hour EMA in the 4-hour time frame, because this EMA is going to slowly continue up. I think we're going to go down a little bit, bounce off of that, and then continue up higher. That's what I'm expecting to see. If we go back on Bitcoin's last couple dumps, really, starting back with this dump, you can see after you dumped and you got back above your 4-hour EMA, and consistently, you always came back down to retest it, right? Right here, came back down, retested it, pumped again, came back down, retested it, right? All the way on its way up to its next highs. Same thing over here. You got back above it in this general right here, until you fell back below it, and then you got back above it, and you came back down and tested it a couple of times until you fell down below it. So I do expect us to come back down to that general level there for BTC. Right now it sits at about 55,800. 51,940. That's where that currently sits at the moment. And that's where I do expect us to go in the short term, guys. And it's nothing crazy. We went pretty close to it earlier today. We are getting the 4-hour close in 56 minutes too, so it is going to move up here. But for where we are right now, I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's about a 3% drop if we do go down there. But I do think that we need to... if you go to the hourly chart, you can see our hourly RSI got pretty overbought. So it's likely that we probably need to let this cool down a little bit before making our next big impulse to the upside. It's always possible we could continue up though. Like if you look where our RSI is, we're at a 59 on the RSI. We've gone higher in the past. You look at these last couple of pumps back from April. You went all the way up to an 80. All the way up to an 84 on the RSI. Back here, you went all the way up to a 78. So you can go higher, but we could need a little bit of a cool off before we actually continue on our run up here. So that's really the short term. Not much else going on besides that. It's just basic support into new resistance flip. But we need to get back above that. What we don't want to do is get rejected here and fall below our 4-hour moving average, because then we go back into bearish territory, right? And we all don't want that. We all had that hit of hopium yesterday where, you know, everything looked good. The positivity was spreading, right? The positivity was just absolutely friggin' amazing today. I love when everyone is so positive, when everyone's hyped that Bitcoin's going up. I've been missing that, man. And ladies, like I've been missing that. Like we haven't really had that. Like I said, Bitcoin's been pretty much a stable coin since back in like February. We really haven't had that kind of excitement and euphoria that we saw later on last year. And really a couple months. So it was really good to see, and I'm glad everyone got got a little bit of hopium here, and hopefully we can continue up here on the 4-hour time frame. Now, switching on over to the daily, you guys can see we obviously did dip below our 50-day moving average if you guys have been watching the stream. And now we are trying to get back above it. We didn't wick all the way up to it, but you can see, generally speaking, you are getting a little bit of a rejection on it. You didn't go all the way back up to it, but I would like to get back above that, and that's kind of gonna what's gonna flip me into more of medium-term bullish, right? Because what's going on, Wes, man? Like a new layout. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, dude. Yeah, but that's really what's gonna flip me into more medium-term bullish. If you can get back over that 20-day moving average, my bad, 20-day moving average, that's what's gonna flip me bullish. You look back here, throughout this run, really, it's been your support on generally on these dips going forward. So I do expect, if you can get back above that, that's going to be really what's going to turn you back up to the upside in a big freaking way. But we got to get back above it. We don't want to get rejected here because it's always possible that we could still come back down to this 140-day moving average, guys. Still possible, right? As bullish as everything looks right now, it's still possible we can get rejected here and continue a little lower down to our 140-day moving average, which right now sits at about 44,951. So be on the lookout. As bullish as we are, could still happen, all right? I'm not saying we're going down there, right? I'm still friggin' bullish right now.
We're going to the moon.
After yesterday, I'm really bullish, but I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Flipping over to the weekly chart, we are now back above our 10-week moving average. You can see our 10-week moving average has been super good support on this, really our run up since about September. And we did dip below it a little bit, but now we are back above it. So that is super bullish here, and I do expect continued price action to the upside because of that as well. QM said I need spank chain. QM, I'm not going to spank you. There's only a few amount of people in this world that I will spank, and QM, it won't be you. It won't be you. Maybe we're not going to go there, but yeah, I mean, very few people in this world I will spank, and I don't have kids, so you guys can put the dots together there. But all right, 53,700, and BTC's back above its 10-week moving average. Perfect. And just like we said with the 140-day moving average, you could still come back down to that level. It's basically the same thing as our 20-week moving average, right? 20 times 7 equals 140. You guys can get the confluence there. It's still possible you can come back down to that, and that sits right now at about 45,600 after we got a pretty big increase there because we had our weekly close yesterday. So that moved up a good amount, which is really good. 45,600 could be our support if we do continue lower, and would be our support if we do continue lower, but we can't rule that out. Now, why do I think that we bottomed out? All right, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly why I think we bottomed out. I obviously could be wrong, right? I've been wrong in the past. If you guys know me, I'm never the one that's going to sit up here and try to act like I'm right every single time. I'm just like you guys, right? I'm literally one of you guys. I'm just the one talking here. I'm not always right? But if we take a look here, guys. Adam Cosmos, what are your thoughts? I hold 1,000 Adam and staking. Yeah, I can take a look, International. Thanks for the super chat, man. Jazz said I'm ready. All right. Anyways, we'll talk about that after, Jazz. Just kidding. Maybe. But anyways, the weekly RSI here. You're getting pretty low in the weekly RSI, right? So you are all right. Sorry, this is your stock RSI. So your stock RSI is getting pretty damn low here. And I do expect this to start rounding out, continue the upside. We took a look at this yesterday, but it's even more pronounced now. Even though we had a nice move to the upside, we actually went lower on our stock RSI because we haven't gotten that close on this new green week, obviously, right? So you guys can see how low we are on the stock RSI. If I zoom in a little over here, we haven't been this low, right? If I actually make a trend line here, we haven't been this low on the stock RSI. You look left. Like we talked about, like even in your March crash, we haven't been this low on the stock RSI. We haven't been this low on the RSI since September of 2019, all right? This should be the bottom, guys, based off basically this. And if you look at our daily RSI, look at that bounce on the daily RSI. We got into that oversold territory, and Bitcoin was like, hold on. I had to do it. The timing was off, but Bitcoin was like
Nope.
So Bitcoin's continuing upside here, but RSI, stock RSI, both starting to bottom out and continue up on the daily chart and on the weekly chart. Even on the weekly chart, this is even more pronounced, so we should start moving up to the upside. So that's really the charts on BTC today. I have one news article I wanted to look at today because the institutional investment is real, right? You guys know I don't usually show too many news articles because we know where this is going, right? But guys, this is a pretty big deal, right? JP Morgan launches Bitcoin fund for rich clients after years of bashing crypto. So JP Morgan's been an institution that has been bashing crypto for years now, literally years. Like you can go back and look at all the news articles from JP Morgan, literally bashing Bitcoin over and over and over again. This is some big freaking news, okay? Big freaking news. JP Morgan's traders, once threatened with firing should they dare touch Bitcoin, will soon get their chance to trade the pioneering cryptocurrency on the bank's behalf. JP Morgan Chase will soon launch its own actively managed Bitcoin fund, making JP Morgan the latest U.S. megabank to embrace hawking crypto assets. You guys saw I posted this on Twitter today. This is freaking huge, guys. The institutions, even the institutions that have been hating on Bitcoin, are continuing to roll into the space. So this is pretty freaking awesome. Another one that we even know about, right? I think there is something coming out where a lot of the publicly traded companies have to disclose what they hold. So we could see even more companies popping up on what is going to happen next for, where we figure out that even more of these giant companies, giant banks are invested in crypto. And they've been investing this entire time and we haven't even known about it yet. So guys, more and more, we're going to start seeing more and more of this. And the more money that obviously these big institutions put into crypto, the more money we're going to make. So it kind of evens out there. Now, switching on over to the Ethereum chart, you can see here, we are at a pretty damn big resistance. This is really one of Ethereum's last resistance points. You look left, you look left, you look right. Maybe your left, my right, I don't know. But 2,520 is a pretty big resistance area looking left, right? We have resistance back here on the candle bodies from April 15th. And we also have resistance back here from August 26th. Obviously today. So that's a pretty big resistance. Our last resistance, if we do continue up for Ethereum, is all the way up at our highs here on our candle bodies, sitting at about 26.16. So if Ethereum can break above this resistance, Ethereum's going to retest its all-time highs. Hopefully that happens on stream. That would be really super exciting. But we'll see if it does happen on stream. We'll see. After that, we can start looking at some of our Fibonacci targets coming up next. I know there's a big target at like 2,900. I still think 2,900 is going to be coming relatively soon for Ethereum. But we'll take a look at that when the time comes. As of right now, we're still kind of waiting on what Bitcoin's next move will be, obviously. So let's take a look at coin market cap, guys. The old coin market cap. Bitcoin up 12% today. Ethereum up 12. Binance Coin up 6. XRP up 30 freaking percent today. That's some real deal. I hope you guys picked up some close to $1 XRP. I actually didn't. I was focusing more on Cardano, Chainlink, and VeChain. But I hope you guys did pick up some XRP close to $1. That seems like it was a pretty damn good buy now. Cardano up 15%. Thank you, Cardano. Doge up 10. And yes, I'm starting to play with my beard, guys, because I'm very, very interested right now. Very, very interested. Polkadot up 15%. Uniswap up 17%. Litecoin up 12%. Bitcoin Cash up 13%. We're seeing VeChain bounce back pretty well, 15%. Chainlink up 11%. So the big caps are doing really well. Looks like a lot of the altcoins are doing really friggin' well as well. Let's take a look at some of our higher gainers on today. So we had Wave up 51%. Holy crap, man. Look at this chart on Wave. Well, maybe we'll have to check that out. Polygon up 46%. Harmony One. There you go. All your Harmony One lovers out there. I know there's tons of Harmony One lovers because that's one of the most hyped up altcoins in this bull market so far. Harmony One up 44%. Dent up 42%. Phantom up 31%. XRP up 30. IOS 28. But we had a bunch of big gainers, right? Everything's pretty much between 15 and 25% gains today. So Awesome day for crypto. Total market cap up 1050 today. So if you're in crypto, you most likely made money today. And this is why you hodl, guys. This is why you hodl. A lot of these coins that you guys might have sold at the bottom are now instantly popped up 44, 42, 30%, and you might have missed out on those gains. So that's why hodling is the best strategy. I'm not gonna rant today, at least yet, at least until I see a message in the chat that says, "Oh, buying and selling the top and the bottom is a better strategy, and I can do it." And then I'll start ranting. But until then, I'm gonna hold off. The only coin that's down today is Solana. Interesting enough, the one that's been doing really well. A pullback for Solana was very much needed, right? Solana is one of those coins that was like really defying the odds so far in this like little Bitcoin dip. Solana pumped, right? So Solana's getting a little bit of a dip. Everything else, I mean, is either flat or not really doing too much. I mean, everything else is pretty much flat. But everything besides the stable coins is pretty much up today. Yeah, everything besides the stable coins is up besides Solana and Unis. So interesting enough. Let's go check out some of our higher cap altcoins. Let's see. So we did Bitcoin, we did Ethereum. Let's check out Binance Coin here. Binance Coin. What's going on with Binance? Binance Coin. Binance Coin actually getting a little bit of a pullback right now. Definitely a little bit of a pullback. It's retesting its 4-hour EMA. You want to hold that. You definitely want to hold that for Binance Coin. I think it's going to do exactly what Bitcoin's going to do. I think Bitcoin probably going to eventually come back down and test this 4-hour EMA. Same thing with Binance Coin. I think we do end up holding that as support, and we continue up higher. Our next resistance for Binance Coin, if you look up here, man, it's really your highs. It's probably right here. Your highs at about 578 for Binance Coin if you do continue up, but Binance Coin looking really freaking good, guys. Really freaking good. You actually might be even consolidating into some type of consolidation, consolidating into some type of consolidation pattern. That would make a lot of sense, Jordan. That would make a lot of sense. Yeah, you might be consolidating down here into some type of symmetrical triangle type pattern. So watch out for this. This technically can keep going on until April 29th. So another 3 days. But I mean, I do expect a move before that, as Bitcoin's been pretty volatile the last couple of days. So, but if you did break to the upside, we take our top to our bottom. We extrapolate this to the upside. It's so good to be able to look at upside targets again, guys. It really is. So thank God that we at least hit a local bottom. We still could go lower, but that'll put you up at like 686 if you do break that to the upside. It always is possible you can continue back down for Binance Coin, so don't rule that out, right? Definitely don't rule that out. But you should have pretty good, at this point, you should have good support at like 462, worst case, if you do dip to the downside, I think. So that is Mr. Binance Coin. I should probably call Binance Coin Sergeant Binance Coin at this point. I mean, XRP up 30 freaking percent. I mean, I know there's going to be a ton of XRP questions out there. So if you guys want to know about XRP, I'm talking about it right now, okay? All you XRPers out there. All you XRPers. What do you think about Sol and Atom? We'll check out Sol and Atom, man. So, hold on, I gotta fix my music here. There we go. XRP. Sol and Atom. Yeah, I mean, XRP got resistance at a pretty big level. A lot of support and resistance at this general level looking left. Big support on it back here. So it's basically trying to flip its old support into new resistance. I think it's going to be temporary, and I do think we're going to continue up here. Now, when is XRP going to continue up? I think it's as soon as Bitcoin decides to continue up. Bitcoin creeping back up to 54,000 right now. Slowly but surely creeping back up to 54,000. So we'll see what BTC does. But, man, XRP has already got a 30% bounce to the upside. So I do expect us to probably see XRP move up pretty heavily here. XRP is not really in any type of consolidation pattern, really. It's more so just below a resistance. But you break below that resistance, you probably got 149, and then after 149, like, you could be going back all the way back up to easily 171. So not a lot of resistance looking up here for XRP. So XRP could be one of these coins that when Bitcoin really starts flying, like when it breaks this neck resistance at 54,000, XRP could be pumping another 30% or so, like pretty damn easily. Right, from your top here, yeah, it's about 30% move back up to 171. So, man, XRP looking pretty nice right now, guys. Looking pretty nice. Looking pretty nice. I was wondering where them hot jams were. Thanks, Jam. Thanks, Jake. Jake, you gotta send me some of your music, man. I want to hear some of your music, Mr. Jake Ryan. Let's friggin' see. What else we got here, guys? Hold on. All right. So XRP, let's see what else we got. Tether up 2%, or yeah, 0.2% today. So nice. Tether doing really well. Tether's going to the friggin' moon.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Cardano, 15%. Let's check out Cardano. Yeah, so for Cardano, we broke this resistance line coming down, and you guys can see after we broke that resistance line, Cardano really started to fly. But Cardano is probably like BTC, where you're waiting for that that break of, man, you're waiting for that break of about 125. You break 125, you maybe got some resistance here at 132, and then if you break that, could be seen all the way back up to 144 pretty easily. Cardano, as far as a pattern goes, I'm not seeing too much. You already kind of broke out of it, right? Like,
Jay, could you check please? Zuma. Thanks a lot, Wes.
yeah, absolutely, man. But yeah, you're not really much of a pattern right now. You've already kind of broken out of your general resistance. So now you're just waiting for your next levels to come for Cardano. So Cardano continuing to look really freaking good, man. Love me some Cardano. I bought a bunch of freaking Cardano down here towards like $1 a ton. But look, if you do start to dip here for Cardano, look for a bounce somewhere, towards like 117 if you do bounce. All right, BTC pushing back up to 54,000, guys, as we speak. So, like, we know we have our close. We have our daily close and our 4-hour close in 37 minutes. Yeah, 37 minutes. I had to kind of compute here. But yeah, 37 minutes. So we'll see if we get some type of big movement up there for BTC. Like we know, if we break this resistance, next really the big level for BTC, as far as I'm seeing, yeah, it's probably 55,900, right? 55,900. So we'll see if we break this during stream today. That would be pretty freaking cool if we do. Pretty freaking cool. So Doge up 11%. What's going on with Mr. Doji? What's going on with the Doges today? Doge not looking too bad. Doge not looking too bad. I mean, it's I'm not going to call it a stable coin, but I think it's more so consolidating for its next big move, right? Probably see Doge making a move pretty freaking soon. You actually probably could draw it probably something more like this, cut off that wick. But like I see Doge making a move pretty damn soon here within the next really the next couple of hours probably. So look for a move for Doge probably the next couple hours. Obviously, it's not a perfect symmetrical triangle, but you get the sense. Breakout to the top of this would be if you extrapolate your top to your bottom here, extrapolate it at your breakout point, should put you upwards of about 38.4 cents, which actually does match up pretty perfectly well, excuse me, guys, with if you look left here from April 16th. So pretty big area there for Doge. Makes a lot of sense. I probably do expect you to move up here. Though it's Doge, right? We see Doge play a bunch of games all the time, so we'll see if Doge starts to do Doge things, All right. BTC get back down below 54,000 as we speak right now, so not much going on with BTC. Let's check out Polkadot. Polkadot up 15% today too. Everything's up to that like 15% mark. I mean, everything is just looking really, really good today, guys, and it's really exciting. Like I said, Polkadot actually looks like it's breaking out as we speak right now. Polkadot's sitting at 1,095. Looks like it's ready to blow. It's ready to friggin' blow. Let me actually get a Polkadot. Let's get it on Qcoin. Sorry. That wasn't the right Polkadot chart, guys. Yeah, either way, this chart still looks like Polkadot's ready to friggin' blow. You're right, like you actually kind of broke your resistance. Yeah, you did. So you broke that general resistance there on your candle body. Now, if you can get a close above this, I do expect DOT to probably start moving here, and DOT will probably go back up to 36.21 pretty damn easily there. So DOT looking really good right now. I do expect a pump here. We need to close first. It can end up being a wick, but you can see you're getting squeezed between this resistance and the 4-hour EMA. Getting squeezed here, so it's got to make a decision soon. I'm expecting up, though. Uniswap. What's going on with Captain Uni? All you swappers out there. I like Uniswap. The gas fee is killing me, though. Gas fees freaking kill me. Uniswap. 38.11. Yeah, so Uniswap looks like it's ready to blow too. 38.11. What is 38? Yeah, 38.10. Okay, I wanted to make sure that was the right chart. But yeah, Uniswap is pushing right towards this resistance too, guys. Like Uniswap is right there, man. Previous resistance right about in that area. You can break this like 38.47 mark. Dude, you're gone. You're gone for Polkadot again. Like a new all-time high is coming for Uniswap if you can break that $38.47 level. So Uniswap right at that friggin' resistance, man. Super exciting stuff for Uniswap. What we can do real quick is, let me actually get rid of some of these. You can look at our Fibonacci extension target. You take your top to your bottom here for Uni. Extrapolate this up. You gotta get back above those wick highs there at the 1 Fibonacci, but you break that, Uniswap could be coming back up to 46, 47 pretty damn quickly here. So Uniswap looking really good. Keep that. BTC still chilling. Still chilling on BTC. All right, let's check our last one. We had Litecoin up 13% today. So check out Mr. Litecoin. Litecoin, very, very similar to the Bitcoin chart. Almost identical as far as basic price action. Right at its current resistance point. Actually a lot closer than Bitcoin. I mean, almost identical charts, right? Bitcoin, Litecoin. It's pretty similar consolidation. If Litecoin can break above this resistance, which it's doing the same thing as we saw in the last coin, guys. It's getting squeezed between its 4-hour EMA and this resistance line. You get back above that, you could be going easily back up to 280, right? Real easily back up to 280 for Litecoin. So watch out for that. Pretty big move for Litecoin, probably imminent here as soon as Bitcoin decides to make up its mind. So Bitcoin 52,837. Madi said ETH, please. ETH is right here, man. We always look at ETH in the beginning of the video. So if you miss out on ETH, it's literally always at the beginning. So the only thing I don't want to see for ETH, I don't want to see you get rejected here and can move back down, because you can see the possibility here for ETH real quick, guys. You can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. If you do get rejected at this general level again and you do come back down, though if we break this resistance line where we're at right now, you kind of negate that. So We don't want to get rejected from our current level for ETH. We definitely don't. Man, you guys know what's in here. You guys know what's in here. Ready? Oh yeah, look at that orange juice, guys. And no, there is no vodka, tequila, whiskey in the orange juice, okay? I saw some people saying, oh, he definitely spikes up his orange juice a little bit. Like I was saying to a couple people before, I can be a degenerate. I definitely can be a degenerate, but I'm not that much of a degenerate, okay? Definitely not that much. The Bank of Canada? Okay, I'll play it for you guys one time.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
You gotta give it to him, man. You gotta give it to him. That's a real pro right there. That's a real friggin' pro. I mean that vitamin C. Yeah, I also get the orange juice real quick, guys, before I get too sidetracked. I also get the orange juice, which adds the vitamin D and the calcium in there. So it's like some super drink, right? And I always tell people, you guys trying to quit caffeine, like I try to quit caffeine, drink some orange juice. It gives you that quick sugar rush. That's at least a little bit healthier for you. Today was a great day, Jordan. Yes, it was. Football cards. Yes, it was. It was a splendid day today. Algo said basically. Yeah, it's definitely the basically at the beginning. It's definitely the so basically. Bitcoin is no so basically. Bitcoin is kind of a scam. It's definitely the basically in the beginning. That's what gets me every time. All right, Bitcoin's kind of chilling right now, guys. Let's get into some of the super chats here before we get too carried away, and then we'll probably end up getting carried away pretty shortly after, because you guys know, if you guys have been watching the stream, I tend to get carried away just a little, just a tad bit. Wes said, like your new layout. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it, man. QM said, I need Spank Chain, please. Is that actually a coin, man? Yeah, I'll check it out on CoinMarketCap. See if Spank Chain is actually a real coin here. Wow, it is. Spank Chain at 3.7 cents. Look at Spank Chain, man. Wow, this thing's been out for a while. This thing's been out since 2017. Let's take a look at what Spank Chain is, though, guys. Spank Chain is a cryptocurrency and operates on the Ethereum platform. What does it do, though? What does it do? Hold on. Sorry, I have to click. I have to click on what Spank Chain is. I'm taking a risk here. I'm clicking on Spank Chain. Whoa! What is this? Spank Pay is the easiest way to accept crypto and monetize yourself. All right, I'm getting off that. But yeah, man. All right, I'm not clicking on anything anymore. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, so that's Spank Chain. Why bother? Can you check SKL? Can it ever go back to $1 plus? I mean, yeah, we can definitely check out some SKL, man. SKL, man, I'm not demonetized because of that. Definitely not. It didn't show anything. It just showed a little cartoon figure. That's all. It's like crypto OnlyFans. I'm investing. I have to go clean my room. Man. All right, so SKL, you're getting support on the 4-hour EMA here, so that's pretty good for SKL. You got some resistance, obviously, at this current level, about 53.9 cents. You break 53.9 cents. SKL probably goes back up to about 59.6 for SK. Let's go YOLO Spank Chain. Guys, should we pump up Spank Chain? Should we do a community pump on Spank Chain? Should we pump and dump Spank Chain? All right. Get it? Pump and dump Spank Chain. Come on now. Come on. All right. So that is SKL. If you want to hold this 4-hour EMA, basically, in all seriousness, if you do continue down, you really want to hold 42.35, right? 42.35 cents. So that's SKL. It looks the same as BTC, right? I mean, all these altcoins look relatively the same as BTC. They're not all different today, right? They're not all different, which is good. We're starting to break that general trend of them all being the exact same, right? But still looks good. You break 45,235. Look for 55,902 for that's BTC. What the hell? You break 53.9. You go back up to 59.6 for SKL. You do have a somewhat of a resistance coming down like this. You also have to break this general resistance line, and you could really start going for SKL. You definitely could. You definitely could. Man. You guys are too friggin' funny in the chat, man. I can't even concentrate sometimes. Anyways, Atom Cosmos, what are your thoughts? I hold 1,000 Atom and staking. Probably a pretty good idea, man. The guy also asked, can SKL ever get to $1? I mean, $1 is only a 2x from here, so you can easily do a 2x from here. Pretty damn easily, if you ask me. Right? I mean, what's a 2x for this in this bull market? So Atom, crack that neck, man. Atom on Coinbase. Atom looks pretty good. Atom is basically back testing its previous resistance. I know Atom did really well yesterday and today. It looks like it got a giant green dildo to the upside. It basically looks like you came back down, back tested your previous resistance as new support, right? Previous resistance back here as new support, and now you're going to continue back up. Next resistance on Atom, if you look up here, right, you obviously got to break above this high, but you look up, I mean, I'm not seeing anything major until about 25, 26. So you could continue seeing big moves here for Atom after breaking this resistance, back testing it. I mean, that's really good. It's really freaking good. Look at the volume too. The volume was big on that, man. All right, BTC. BTC keeps trying to knock its head against the $54,000 resistance. So that could be our sign that is going to be the point. I mean, that this next close that we're going to get today could be the next big move point for BTC, going up back up to 55,900. I'm thinking it, right? We saw what happened yesterday. Atom Cosmos, what are your thoughts? So what do you think about Sol and Atom? And MT wanted Sol and Atom. Thank you for the super chat. MT, you're an absolute stud, man. Sol. Let's see what Sol's doing. Solana looks still pretty good. I mean, you got rejected at the resistance point looked at, right? We took a look at our last Fibonacci targets. I think that's your 1.618, right? You take your top to your bottom here. Look exactly where you... Guys, this is why the Fibonacci extension target is so good, right? From the top to your bottom of your last consolidation, you exactly hit the 1.618 Fibonacci and pull back. Now it's likely you probably get some support at the 4-hour EMA, and then you bounce off that and continue up to your next target for Solana, which currently sits pretty firmly there at about 58.3. Or sorry, $58.37. So Solana looks pretty damn good. It's probably going to continue up here. One of the best, obviously one of the best performing altcoins right now. Really good. Just West. Can you check out UMA? Thanks a lot, West. Thank you, my man. Just West said, set my alarm again today. What about band, please? You got it, man. So you want UMA and band. So let's check out UMA and band for West. Thank you for the super chats, man. Band protocol. What do we got going on here? Now I'm talking like a cowboy for some reason. But hey, like, guys, if I'm ever being really weird, if I ever have some really weird kind of accent going on, it's just me being weird. So just ignore me. All right. So band, pretty big. You're at a pretty big level, right? You look left here. Previous resistance, 1, 2, 3, and then previous support here, and so like, this is a big area. So you want to get a firmly above that. If you can get firmly back above that, which I do expect you to do, I really do think Bitcoin's gonna pump when we get this new daily open. I just have that feeling. I got a feeling. You guys remember that old Black Eyed Peas song? I got a feeling. And that's why I don't sing. That's why I didn't sing to Neil his birthday, right? That's why I don't sing. But yeah. So we break above that. Band could be going back up to easily 1771. All right. So we'll see what happens for band, but I mean it's still pretty low. Like it didn't get as good of a bounce as other altcoins did. It's still down almost 35% from its high. So band still looks pretty juicy if you run into invest in some band. Don't invest in my band though. Like I said, I can't really sing. So don't invest in my band. Only invest in Bitcoin, Cardano, Chainlink, Ethereum, VeChain. But don't invest in my band. Guys, real quick, all right? I'm gonna show my Instagram real quick. Let's go hit over 1,000 followers on Instagram. Like I said, I am doing a giveaway at 1,000 followers, so make sure you guys go follow me in there. I'm gonna post the link in the chat here, so go follow me over there, right? And it's also in the description. If you guys miss it in here, make sure you guys go follow it in the description. All right? Let's get to 1,000 followers. We're so freaking close, guys. So freaking close. We can easily do it today. All right. Let's see what else we got here. We got 17 minutes until our daily close on BTC. So it's, man, we're patiently waiting. We're patiently waiting on this. UMA and band. All right, did we check out UMA? UMA. What's going on with UMA? I don't even know if we checked it out. Yeah, we did. You basically, you're above your 4-hour EMA. You bounce off your 4-hour EMA, which I do expect. Going back up to 2761. All right. Let's have a drink of orange juice here. What do you think you're going to see a drop? I mean, I think based on previous price action the last couple of weeks, we could either see a big pump or dump in 15 minutes, right? We've seen it in the past. We saw it yesterday, right? Bitcoin was dumping, and then all of a sudden we got Bitcoin was dumping. All of a sudden we got that weekly close, and we just started rocketing up, right? So could be seeing some of that again. XRP is going now. XRP. What's XRP doing? Someone said XRP is going again. They're trying to go again. It got rejected. So XRP getting pretty close to that resistance, but yeah, 149 is your next resistance for XRP. Og Wizard, thank you for the €5 super chat, man. She said, can you take a look at Bingus, please? Yes, we can take a look at Bingus. What is Bingus, man? Hold up. Bingus token? Bingus token is a fun deflationary meme token. I love when they literally say it's a meme token in CoinMarketCap. That gives it a lot of credibility. A lot of credibility. Thank you for the 99 super sticker lost for words. Appreciate it, my man. Thanks for supporting the stream, dude. Deflationary meme token that donates 1% of all transactions to charity. All right, so it's a meme token. Let's check out the charts. Maybe the charts look good. I mean, these meme tokens have actually been performing pretty well. Bingus is not on the charts, man. So unfortunately, as much as it's really gonna pain me, I can't look at Bingus here. Lost for words. Thank you, man. Again, I appreciate it, man. Can you Patty's at the 20 DKK super chat? I'm not sure what that really is, man, but appreciate it, dude. Bitcoin pushing back up to 54,000. Let's see what it does. It's done it like 10 times this stream already, but we'll see what it does. Patty said, can you take a look at T-Fuel? Theta Fuel. Actually, XRP looks like it's breaking out. XRP looking like it's about to break out, guys. So you could see some carnage here for XRP. Some carnage. The good kind of carnage, though. The good kind of carnage, not the bad kind of carnage. What do you want? T-Fuel? And lost for words. Another super chat, man. Thank you, man. I didn't mean to play the Doge. I didn't mean to play the Doge one there. T-Fuel. What is going on with Captain T-Fuel here? Looking like a bullish back test. You're back testing your previous highs on the 4-hour. Back testing it as support. And I do think you're going to get a bounce here. As soon as we get that in 12 minutes, I do believe you're going to get a bounce here. I definitely do. And in your next targets here for Theta Fuel, if you take a look up here, man, you obviously got to break this pretty important level here, obviously at about 31.3. You break 31.3, could be coming all the way back up there to 38, 90, 98. You got nothing there. So look for a pretty big move on Theta Fuel. I'm expecting Theta Fuel to go up right now. Bitcoin back over 54,000 as we inch ever so closely back to that weekly close. All right. Cheers, guys. Cheers. What a good Monday, man. It feels like a weekend to me. Feels like a weekend to me. I mean, lately every day it feels like a weekend day for me, unfortunately. You know? Lost for Words said, #1 fan. Thank you, Lost for Words. You're an absolute stud, man. Thank you for the support, man. It really is truly appreciated, man. Bruno said, hey, bro, can you check out my baby Stellar? Yes, I'll check out your baby Stellar. As much as Stellar, you know, as much as Stellar in the past, you know.
That's an XLM stablecoin.
Has been a stablecoin for me. As long as it does good for you, my man, that's all I care about. That's all I care about. It can have his redemption. But yeah, XLM doing really well right now. Nice friggin' bounce for XLM. Looks like you're breaking out as you speak. Yeah, you broke this huge level there at 47.7 cents. So XLM, man, XLM looks really good. XLM, you broke this huge resistance line coming down too. So XLM, you could be seeing levels up here. 56 cents. Like if it really starts going, you could be seeing 56 cents pretty damn quickly for XLM. That's friggin' awesome, man. Congrats, man. Unfortunately,
strap up. We're going to the moon.
I'm not going to the moon with you, man. I'm stuck here on planet Earth. I'm stuck here on friggin' planet Earth, man. Here we go. All the safe moon shillers are back. They were gone for a couple of days, and now we got all the friggin' safe mooners back. Come get some safe moon, huh? 53,974 for BTC. Man. This thing went up. I was just curious. I had to go back to it. This thing went up to friggin' 63 cents in 20. Why did this go up? I mean, I guess everything went up in 2017, but this thing went up to 63 cents in 2017. And it's sitting at 3 cents right now. Like, what the heck? What the friggin' heck, man? What else we have? We had, wow. We had Dennis Bailey with the $5 super chat. Thank you, Dennis. Appreciate the kindness there, man. Kindness of your heart. Fatty McDonough. What's up, Fatty McDonough, man? I missed you today. We can't forget our donut. What kind of donut are you, Fatty? Fatty, are you a chocolate glazed, Boston cream, which a lot of you guys probably don't know what Boston cream donut is, because you're not from Boston. Maybe you do. I personally am a glazed and chocolate glazed kind of guy, right? 100%. Like, I'll take the chocolate glazed any friggin' day, and also the chocolate frosted. I'll eat up some chocolate frosted all day. But you wanted Hathor, HTR. Hathor HTR. Okay. Hathor. What's going on with Hathor? Pretty big dip. Man.
Can you check out Bitcoin Gold Boss?
Hathor got a really nice bounce, it looks like, when Bitcoin bounced. Really nice.
Can you look at Matic, please?
Yeah, we'll take a look at Matic. Yeah, so once you broke this general resistance line, you were friggin' gone for Hathor. And now you're just back testing. It was perfect, man. Look at this back test. It's literally textbook. As Bitcoin's pumping right now, guys. I'll switch over to Bitcoin in a second. But Hathor, you literally came back down, back tested that previous resistance absolutely perfectly. Also held your 4-hour EMA. So I do expect you to start going here again. I do. I really, really do. I really do. The big dip and big green dildo pattern. This is like a big green dildo that now kind of has a little bit of a limp, right? It's like... all right, BTC back over 54,000. Now pushing 54,100. So let's see what BTC has in store for us for the next 6 minutes, guys. Please explain how to buy and sell the ETH Bitcoin pair. Just go on exchange, man. Use Binance. Use anything like that. You can trade the Bitcoin pair. Any of the exchanges, you can do that. You'll see the options on there. Any place where you have like your general leverage trades and stuff like that. They look like a Bybit, Femex. You should be able to do it on Binance too. You should be able to buy on there, man. How to buy and sell the ETH pair? I'm sure you know how to buy and sell it, but maybe that's not what you meant. But ETH Bitcoin, how you buy and sell? Hold on, yeah. How you buy and sell ETH Bitcoin is you draw the general upsloping channel, right? And you literally buy more Ethereum when Ethereum gets to the bottom, and you buy more Bitcoin when the ratio gets to the top, right? Because this is Ethereum gaining on Bitcoin, Bitcoin gaining on Ethereum, right? It just goes up and down through this channel. It's literally since the midway of 2019. Buy Ethereum, buy Bitcoin. Buy Ethereum, buy Bitcoin, right? It's pretty self-explanatory. Just draw that channel, man, and you'll be good to freaking go, dude. Good to go. All right, 5 minutes. 5 minutes until the instantly close, man. Well, we got Squiggy. What's going on, Squigs? Missed you, man. I always miss you. I got my orange juice, Swiggy. You know how much I love my orange juice. My camera might die at some point in the stream. My camera is super friggin' low on battery, so that's not good. Anyways, even if the battery dies, we'll continue. We'll tough it out here, even if the battery dies. 54,064 for BTC right now. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm here for every day from 7 to 10 p.m. So make sure you guys don't miss out on any of the streams, okay? You don't want to miss out. Here we go, guys. Here's the beard. Here's the beard. ADA is so much better than Cardano. I don't know if that's supposed to be a joke, but Nicholas said, can you look at Matic? Yeah, we'll take a look at Matic real quick, and then we're going to switch back to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin looking like it wants to make some power moves here. Let's get rid of all that. Holy crap. Matic on the daily chart looks like a giant friggin' green dildo, guys. Giant green friggin' dildo. You're right at that resistance for Matic at your all-time highs. Bam. Look at that. Matic. Look at that dildo, guys. Holy dildo. That's crazy, man. Matic almost went up 50% today. Tell us this. $50% on Matic today. But yeah, Matic, if you want to take a look at your next targets, you literally just take your Fibonacci extension tool, take it from the top to the bottom of your last consolidation. I'm not going to count this giant wick because that's kind of irrelevant there. Next target for Matic, looking at 69.2 cents and 2.618 is at 93.5.
Bitcoin hits $100,000.
69.2, 93.5. Those are your next targets here for Matic. Like I said, guys, I literally just noticed today, I left my camera on all day today for some reason, because that's me. So the camera might die at some point during the stream, but that's not going to stop us here. It's not going to stop us from rocking and rolling. All right, 2 minutes until our close, guys. 2 minutes to our close. We are right at resistance. Just hitting our heads. Right on that resistance, right? Buttcoin. Buttcoin can't be real, man. There's no way Buttcoin's real. No friggin' way, man. No, it's not, man. Don't be playing games with me. I like those meme coins. Don't tell me there's a Buttcoin. There's not a Buttcoin, man. You got my hopes up. All right. 1 minute, guys. 1 freaking minute here. 1 minute here. The show must go on. Truly a pro, Jordan. Thank you, Jake. Thank you, Jake. Appreciate it, man. 54,059 for BTC. Let's see what it does. Taint coin. Swiggy, you're not going to trick me again. Swiggy, you missed it, man. What was the one we were looking at earlier, guys? Oh, Spank coin. All right, we just got our new daily candle here. We should in just a second. There we go. There it is. Let's see if Bitcoin has any shenanigans up its sleeve here. Getting a little dumpage. Getting a little dumpage. Let's see what happens, though. Check Fyro. All right, 52,900. We're getting a little bit of dumpage here. Just a tad bit of dumpage. I'm not worried, though. You guys obviously shouldn't be worried either. It is what it is. This is like some good Safari music, guys. Makes me want to go to friggin' Disney World and go to Go to the animal kingdom and go on the safari. I haven't been to Disney in a minute, man. I need to get on some rides, dude. Alright. We're just chilling here for Bitcoin. So let's see what we got going on here. XRP going also eclipse new coin. XRP's going. Yeah, XRP broke the resistance. I think it's just waiting for BTC to wake up a little bit. And I think XRP is gonna start going here. You broke that resistance though. Come on, BTC. Don't make me bust out Spank coin. Oh, Squiggy. Spank chain. I'll open it again just for you, man. Look at Spank chain, man. The Spank Pay is the easiest way to accept crypto and monetize yourself. Look at this thing, man. What the heck is going on here, man? What is this? I'm done. Alright, we're gonna get off this, man. 54,068 for BTC. BTC trying to break out. Cameron said Bitcoin Gold, boss. Let's check out Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold on Tether. Oh, no, that's Bitcoin. Check it out over here, I guess. Bitcoin Gold. Why is it not popping up? There we go. I was struggling with the Spank chain. Go check it out, Squiggy. Don't be spanking. I'm not gonna get too dirty. I gotta remember that I'm on YouTube. I'm not in real life. I can't get too dirty in here. Yeah, I mean, generally speaking, you're kind of in a on the 4 hour, you're kind of in a little downwards channel here for the most part. What's most likely here is Bitcoin's actually popping off right now. So right now, you're probably going to pump back up to the top of the flag here. Probably back up to like 104. But BTC, back to the 54,200. We got to break 54,235 to confirm the breakout though, guys. It's not confirmed until we break 54,235. That's the key area here. The very, very key area. Okay? And we got rejected. We got big rejected. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. I don't know why I said it like that, but make sure you guys subscribe. Go follow me on IG too. We're so close to 1,000 followers, guys. So freaking close, man. Go follow me over there. Doing a giveaway at 1,000 followers, man. All right. What do we got next? What do we got next here? Jordan growing a beard until Bitcoin hits 100,000. Oh man, Squiggy. I can't do that to myself. Like I look okay with kind of the shorter beard, but if I start going the big one, I start looking really scruffy. So I don't know if I can do that, Squiggy. I'll do it if you do it. I'll do it if you do it. But I'm not. I can't do that. Mamba said XRP going also eclipse the new coin. Yeah, we checked out XRP, and you also want to check out Eclipse. Oh, Mamba said Eclipse again. Check out Eclipse, Mamba. I was literally just gonna do it for you, my man. Appreciate it, though, man. Eclipse is a new coin. Let's see if it's on. Hold on, we're on the weird song, guys. We gotta get rid of this weird song. This is like the weird song that pops up every stream. There we go. All right. Oh no. Why did I do that? Eclipse. Yeah, it's not on here yet. Let's see if it's on Eclipse. Yeah, we checked out Eclipse the other day. They literally copied Carl from the Moon's logo, man. I can't promote them, man. They're copywriting. They're copywriting the logo. Look at that. They literally copied and pasted this logo. Unless Carl the Moon stole it from somewhere, and then they stole it from the same place. But yeah, I mean, it looks like it's a nice consolidation. It's ready to rip. Looks like it's ready to rip. How was your day, bro? I'm about to YOLO 100x leverage into Spake Chain. Go for it, man. I didn't tell you to do it. But go for it, man. Yeah, but Eclipse, like, dude, they literally stole the logo, man. But like, yeah, it looks like it's ready to blow. It looks like it's ready to blow. It really does. All right, come on, BTC, get out your sticks, guys. Get out your sticks. Exactly as not predicted. Squiggy with the $69 super chat. Thank you, Squiggy. Appreciate it, man. He said, Spank Chain. Ryan said, how was your day, bro? My day was pretty good, man. Can't complain, dude. It's a Monday. It is what it is. But it was pretty good. He said about the YOLO 100x. Yeah, I mean, go for it, man. Spank Chain, though. Just be careful with Spank Chain, dude. Just be careful with Spank Chain. Let's see. What else we got here? We got Dennis said, what do you think about CKB Nervos? I don't know much about CKB Nervos, but we can check it out, man. Nervos. Yeah, it's down pretty big from its highs, right? It's down pretty big. You take your top to your bottom here. Down 63% from its highs. It still looks like it's down about 50%. So I mean, it looks like it bottomed out. Let's go to the hourly chart. Yeah, man. I mean, the hourly looks pretty good. Or the 4 hour looks pretty good, I should say. It's more like I see it probably be a nice inverse head and shoulders kind of playing out here if you can get back up to this neckline. Obviously, you got your left shoulder, your head, and you round out here and continue to the upside. You got your right shoulder. So you could easily break this to the upside. You take your bottom to your top, and you extrapolate this to the upside, giving an approximate target of about 3.4 cents for Nervos CKB. So not too bad, man. Not too bad. Above your 4 hour EMA pretty nicely. My wife said as long as she can't come over, we can spank chain her all night. Spank chain her all night, man. All night, Squig. It's better than wife swap. It's better than wife swap, right? Spank chain or wife swap. The girls probably would like spank chain. The guys, they probably like wife swap. Like I said, we're working digitally on both, so girls and guys can be happy. When the guys want to swap out their wives, the girls can just invest in spank chain and just get slapped over and over again. You know, it's a win-win for both sides. Honestly, it really is. 54,000 right now for BTC. Did I miss anything? Nope, we're pretty good there. Pretty good. Doing pretty good. My girl just looks at me like I'm crazy when I'm on this stream. She doesn't understand, man. She doesn't understand. Probably most do. We do have a lot of girls that watch this stream, though. A lot of girls who watch the stream, which is pretty awesome. So when I first started my channel, the ratio. So I was looking at this the other day on my channel. The ratio between men and women was like 92%. No, sorry. It was 94% men and 6% women. Now, right? It's flipping. It's not flipping, but now it's at 86% men, 14% women. So the women are coming out in droves now. And like I said, it's because, oh man, it's just because of this beautiful face. Beautiful face. I gotta shave a little bit, but beautiful face, beautiful, just beautiful, beautifulness here. That's all I gotta say. So, all right, Bitcoin's just chilling, guys. Like, come on, man. Bitcoin is just chilling. Yeah, crypto's becoming like a. It used to just be like a guy thing, like, oh, the nerds are gonna invest in crypto, but we're seeing the women coming now too, which is pretty freaking awesome, man. It's good to have a mixed variety of different genders, different races, different people in the space. It really makes it kind of learning a lot better. You learn it from a bunch of different avenues. Talk to a bunch of different people, look at their views from it. It's pretty awesome. So that's BTC. Let's see what else we got here. What are you guys doing in the chat? Dude, check XRP. All right, we can check our XRP. XRP. What's going on with XRP? Yeah, XRP is going, man. Like I said, you're probably going to go up to 149 here on XRP. Hopefully XRP is leading the market. Hopefully XRP is going to pull up everything else with it. But XRP doing really good. Really freaking good, man. Taylor Turner. What's going on, Taylor? What's going on? Bingus just got listed on CMC today. Backed by YouTubers including Penguins, Rocky, and Rapper. Hold on. Couldn't read it in time.
Listed on CMC today. Backed by YouTubers including Penguins, Zero, Rocky, Kanakai, Rapper, BBNO Dollar.
Rapper, BBNO.
Finance.
Check out Bingus Finance. I'll check it out.
Check out Dollar Numa, dog.
It's not your face, it's the green dildos. Jazz pimping out Jordan.
It's not your face, it's your green dildos.
I'll have to share and pay up, ladies. Yeah, this face don't come free, man. Face don't come free. All right. Anyways, let me get back into this. I'm getting really carried away right now. I tend to have because I own Spank, Taint, and Tap as coin. Wait, Tap Ass Coin? All right, don't be playing around. Tap Ass Coin is definitely not a coin for sure. Hold on. I'm really far behind now. Check out Bingus. Let's check out Bingus for Taylor while we wait for Bitcoin to wake up here. Bingus Coin. What's going on with Bingus Coin? This obviously just got listed, guys. I don't know much about it. I got a request to look at it. Bingus Coin is a fun deflationary meme token. Another meme token, guys. Another meme token if you guys want to invest in the another meme token. It's backed by a bunch of people, apparently. That donates 1% of all transactions to charity. The custom voting interface for liquidity providers. The community controls where the funds go with NFT rewards. All right? So if you guys want to check out Bingus Coin, go check it out. Apparently, it's backed by a bunch of people. And no, I'm not shilling Bingus Coin. I got a super chat for it. Matt can fly high. Matt can fly high. I like your name, man. Check out New My Dog. Sure, man. New. Oh yeah, New getting the nice dildo, man.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
It's a fraud. It's a Ponzi. I agree completely. I call it a Ponzi with no one in charge.
So New Nice green dildo there on the 4 hour. 16% green dildo. You hit some pretty big resistance. Yeah, some pretty hefty resistance looking up. You break this though, I'm seeing probably 50.8 cents is your next target for new. So new, getting a nice bounce after a heavy retrace. Look at this retrace for new. That's crazy, man. Hold on. This retrace for new, you can from top to bottom, almost a 70% retrace for new. That's crazy, dude. All right. Yeah, but new looks really good. New looks good. I'm expecting this to continue up for sure. Squiggy wife asked for Cosmos, and I want ADA. Wife Squiggy always wants Cosmos, and then Squiggy always wants ADA. Squiggy, did you end up buying back any of your crypto, or did you just hold ADA now? Curious. Yeah, I mean, you have a big resistance at like 22.64. You break 22.64. I mean, if you just look up, like 24.39, probably next for Cosmos. Cosmos looking really good though. Nice freaking bounce here. Really nice bounce. And it all started with the break of, so you got your left shoulder, you got your head, and you got your nice little right shoulder there, and you broke your neckline coming down really nicely, and you freaking pump from there. So really nice. Take your measure, move target, top, bottom. I always say top to bottom, but I always take it bottom to top. So, and you extrapolate that at your breakout point, it's going to put you right 23.97, pretty close to that next target there. So Cosmos continuing to look pretty good, guys. All right. And then Cardano. What's going on with Cardano? Man, you just can't break that 124 level. You just keep banging your head against boom, boom, boom. It's like spank token. It's like friggin' spank token. You keep going up and spanking this resistance over and over and over again, like 5 times. Now, if you, like I said, if you can spank it hard enough, get back above 125. Your next target's 132. You break 132, next target's 144. So Cardano still looks good. General pretty bullish structure. Broke out of a inverse head and shoulders here. So you should be continuing up. It's just a matter of time before you break that resistance. Target should be like 137 here on the breakout, Squiggy. So, we'll see. You're just getting some big resistance there, that's all. BTC chilling, 52,800. Just chilling right now, guys. All right. Spank the moon and make the green dildos to Uranus. All right, let's see what we got going on the Discord here. Let's go see the Discord here. We had Patreon. No, yep, there it is. So we had yesterday. Shaf said, "Does your Bitcoin one-day MACD look like we might get bullish cross when new candle prints?" It probably didn't, man. Not now that we didn't really pump, but I can check it out for you, man. My MACD. I don't got my MACD set up right, but on the daily, you said? Yeah, I mean, you could. You got to get some more green momentum here, but it looks like you could be trying to cross back into the green for MACD. You got to get some bullish momentum here in order to do it, you know? You just haven't got it yet. But I can see the sentiment, man. TKO Ape. Chrisek. Can you check out SRM, please? Absolutely, man. Check out SRM. SRM. Oh, yeah. Look at SRM, man.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
SRM is literally going to the moon. Yeah, SRM looks really good. Let's look at your targets here. You're probably going to continue up, most likely. Top to bottom. You look here. Yeah, so look at your first initial pump. Perfectly went up to your 1.618 Fibonacci and pulled back. I expect the next one to probably do the same thing at your 2.618 Fib at 1334. So look for 1334 as your next target for SRM. This looks really good, man. Congrats if you got in this. That's mighty juicy. Mighty juicy, I may say. Shaft said ONT looks to be going now. ONT, huh? Ontology. Yeah, Ontology's going too, dude. Everything looks like it's going right now. Besides BTC, everything looks like it's going right now. You broke this big resistance. Probably look for a move back up to 169. 169 for ONT. But yeah, ONT looks pretty good too. You broke that really, really big resistance there. Perfectly there. What's going on, Kevin? XLM, please. Yeah, we'll take a look at XLM, man. I'm sure, dude. 169 coming up for old Ontology there. That looks really good. And then also we had
You here for my daily info on Mana.
J-Rock wanted VeChain. Check out VeChain for J-Rock. Daily info for Mana. You got it, Tyler. So VeChain just looks pretty good. Like, you got the nice double bottom here. Really nice double bottom here. And you know, you should continue to see upside. You're just at a big resistance right now. Big resistance looking back left at April 15th. And you just keep trying to get back above it. And you just keep butting your head again. Just like I said before, it's like Spank Coin, guys. Maybe just like Spank Coin. Looks like on the hourly you are getting ready here for VeChain though. You are getting ready for something brewing. Now what's gonna brew? I mean, definitely not any definitely not a Coors Light type pump. It's definitely gonna be more of an IPA type pump here where we start getting some big pumps. But yeah. Looking like a symmetrical triangle. Looks like you're probably gonna break out pretty damn soon for VeChain. Obviously it's on the hourly, so it's not a huge breakout target, but it should put you back above 20 cents at the very least. If you break to the upside, you break to the downside, could be seeing about 17, 20, 25. Hivecoin making a big move. Yeah, we'll check out Hivecoin. Check out Hive. BTC dipping a little bit as we speak right now, guys. Dipping just a tad. We're seeing altcoins fly up though, which is a good sign. Let's hope that Bitcoin follows it. David wanted Matic. Check out Matic for David. Yeah, we did Matic a little bit earlier, David, But like next target on Matic is 69 cents. 69 freaking cents, man. You broke your, you hit your 1.618 fib. Now that's your next target. Kevin wanted XLM. See what's going on XLM. Thanks for the super chats, guys. You guys are always awesome, man. Always freaking awesome. Yeah, so XLM. If you go back to the 4 hour, you broke this resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. You broke the resistance. Now you're just back testing your previous high as support, right? Back testing as support, and I expect a bounce probably up to your next level, which is really 56 cents for XLM. XLM looks really freaking good, Kevin. Really good. Really good. Guys, go follow me on IG. Go follow me on the IG, guys. Links in the description. Giveaway at 1,000 followers. We're almost there. We're almost friggin' there, man. We're inching like a snail, but we're almost there. Like I said, links in the description. I'm also going to post it in the chat right now. Takes 2 seconds, guys. Go follow me over there. I'm going to upload a bunch of content, memes, different info type stuff, bunch of stories about what I'm doing in my day, day life. So go follow me over there, guys. Appreciate it. Once I hit 1,000, I'll probably shut up about it. Okay. All right. So that's BTC.
New cipher.
New cipher. Yeah, we can check it out. Yo, here for my daily info on Mana. Tyler, man. You love yourself some Mana. I love some Mana too. I own a good chunk of Mana as well. Mana looking too bad. It was below its 4 hour EMA. It's back above its 4 hour EMA. Really nicely holding that as support now. As far as like a pattern, I mean, not really in any type of pattern. You got a resistance coming down like this. So if you can ever break back above that resistance, you're going to be looking pretty golden here. But until then, we got to wait and see what happens. Yeah, I mean, you just have so much support looking left because you've been in this general range for Mana for so long, right? For so long. You've been pretty much going sideways here for Mana since March 14th. Okay?
That's an XLM stable point.
So, we'll see. You break this resistance for Mana. Probably come back up to 155 to your top of your range. Mana's due for a move too, though. Like, Mana has just been sideways action. Mana's due. Mana's due. Liquid Session says Hive's coin making good looks good, but what looks good, but would be great. Hive coin. I don't even know what Hive coin is, man. Why does Mana sound like voodoo? I don't know, man. Hive? Is this Hive coin? Let me double check this. Make sure this is Hive coin, guys. Hive coin. Yeah, Hive coin's Hive. Okay. Hive coin. Decent bounce. Decent bounce. It does look like it's going to be wanting to retest these highs, right? Like that. Perfect. There we go. Yeah. So Hive, you clearly got a giant green dildo to the upside there. So you're really looking at for Hive is your tops, right? 89 cents, really 90 cents for Hive, but giant green dildo for Hive. We're seeing altcoins go ham right now. Absolutely ham. It's good to see. Really good to see. Thor wanted new cipher. Thank you for the super chat, Thor. Or, yeah. New cipher. I feel like a Jedi. Is Elon really being on? Is really on SNL on May 8th? That would imagine if Elon launched Dogecoin on May 8th. That would be pretty crazy. I didn't know that's crazy. That's definitely interesting. I don't know if he will though. I don't know if he will because he didn't launch it on April Fool's Day.
Elon on Saturday Night Live made
So.
How's looking? Could it hit $1 after his appearance? I am no soothsayer, but I feel it like a Jedi.
Like a Jedi.
Can you look at the USDT things?
Yeah, new cipher. You broke this resistance, and you absolutely rocketed after you broke that resistance. So, yeah, new cipher just looks really good, man. Like you rocketed up here. You're probably gonna, man. You might come back down maybe to back test these two resistances as new support, but you may not. You might just continue up here. Next target would be probably up here, probably up towards 54 cents for new cipher if you do continue up. But don't be surprised here if you do continue back down, back test this first, and then continue up. That's definitely an option. All right. Mr. Red say, can you look at B Pro USDT? Absolutely, man. B Pro. B Pro just consolidating still, dude. Yeah, I mean, B Pro just, it looks bearish just because it's in like almost a descending triangle with, you're making the same lows with lower highs. So it is technically a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, but we're seeing bounces from altcoins right now. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this bounce up. I really wouldn't. Right? If you were to break down, I guess maybe you can look at your target here. It's going to be a pretty decent drop, but I don't expect you to. Hold on, why is it doing that? Hold up. This is a 40% drop. I don't expect you to do anything crazy like that, but you look down, probably look for some supports at like 9 cents if you do break down. But like I said, you're in a bullish trend, other than lately. So you probably break up here. Should put you at like 1.8 cents for B Pro. All right, Ethereum chilling. Yeah, Ethereum's just chilling, guys. Ethereum at 2,518. So I mean, Ethereum's not really doing too much. Ethereum's just kind of chilling. It is still above that pretty big resistance though, which is good. It's good to see. But it's not really doing much as of now. Next target 2616 though, if we do continue up for Ethereum. And then Bitcoin just kind of chilling too. I feel like a friggin' Jedi. Bing! The green dildo. The Jedis had the biggest green dildos. They just whipped out their friggin' lightsabers and giant green dildo. They were like the master of the charts. Jay Walker said BTT. I miss BTT, man.
Can you look at EGLD long and short term?
Long and short term, sure, man. I like the long-term action. Long-term action's always the way to go. BTT. BTT. I love saying friggin' BTT, man. BTT. It's something about those three letters just formed together is just so soothing. Yeah, but BTT, it's right at its resistance. It doesn't really have any type of like confirmed support, but look, all these touches here, 4. You're coming right back up to it now. You're going to get squeezed here between your 4-hour EMA and this resistance. So I do expect a move of relative big standards coming pretty soon here for BTT. But if you do break this resistance, man, look for, you probably had some pretty big resistance at 0.9 cents. And then you could be going all back up to 1.3 cents pretty damn easily. So BTT, really big drop, right? In this drop, I think, right? Yeah, 61% drop. I'm saying up. I don't see it go much lower than that. BTT.
CMDR said Solana pumping? Probably not, but it's a good project. Ain't it better?
Thank you, appreciate it. Thanks, Heather. Appreciate the kind words. What else we got? We got a few more in here. David Ross said, "Can you look at EGLD?" EGLD. What's going on with EGLD? Excuse me, guys. EGLD. Man, a lot of these altcoins are right at the freaking resistance, man. That's why I think I'm going to see a big move for all these altcoins very, very soon. EGLD too, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistances. Same thing, getting squeezed between the 4-hour EMA and the resistance. The 4-hour EMA is going to continue up here. You're going to have to break to the upside or the downside here. Which way are you going to go? I'm expecting up here. I am expecting up, especially after we've seen already a couple altcoins fly. If you do break up, look for a move up to at least 193. And if you break down, probably look for a move back down to your lows to 146. But EGLD's got to make a move pretty soon here too.
Can you check it for Mard?
Den for Marde. Mard. I'm going to go with Marde. I'm going to go with Marde. Thanks, Squiggy. Thanks, Marde. Squiggy said, CMDR said Solana pumping. Probably not, but it's a good project. ADA better. You had to add that in, didn't you? Yeah, Solana just keeps going. Like Solana is a great project. I mean, I didn't expect it to pump like it has. Yeah, Solana, like I said, it's probably going to get a bounce off the 4-hour EMA. Didn't come all the way back down to it. That's how bullish it is. If it can break, it's more like, you can break 48.08, you're probably going back up to next target, which is 56.96 for Solana. So Solana just continues its massive run. I wish it's hindsight, but move some of my crypto into Solana, man. That would have been the move on this dip. That's what I feel like that's what all the whales did. All the whales were like, guys, we're gonna drop the entire market except the one coin we all invest in, which is Solana, and then we're gonna move everything back to the other coins after everything starts to bounce. All right. BTC needs to wake up, though. It really does. Squeeze said, can you check out Dent? Dent. So Dent, not DNT. Dent. Right? I always getting confused. You guys know I always get DNT and Dent confused every single friggin' time. So Dent. Yeah, so Dent, as of now, you've gotten rejected off this 1 cent area. Now, if you can break 1 cent, you get rid of a few of these. You break 1 cent, you're probably going to have some resistance up here towards 1.3 cents. And then after that, next high at 1.5 cents, 1.56. So those are your next targets looking up. I wouldn't be surprised, maybe, if you come back down, maybe test your 4-hour EMA here, and then before continuing up. So look for that. Definitely a possibility. Because you are getting slightly overbought on the 4-hour time frame here, so you could need a little bit of consolidation back down. So just be wary of that. But yeah, I mean, Dent looks like a classic reversal pattern after breaking your inverse head and shoulders here to the upside really well. And then your target for that. Let's see if you still have your target here. Put that at your neckline. Yeah, it puts you right. Look at it. From your neckline, it puts you right at friggin' 1.3 cents perfectly. So a lot of confluence at that 1.3 cents area for Dent. All right. Time is it? 8:45. All right. I said, what's that song? It's like, all right. Oh, that's another Black Eye. No, is that Black Eyed Peas too? Yeah, that's Black Eyed Peas too. When it's like, all right. Read the white paper. So many scam coins. Yeah, guys, listen to Squiggy, guys. So many scam coins. See, we are on IG. 870. All right, guys, go follow me over there. Let's at least try to hit 900 on today's stream. 900 should be pretty easily goal over there. Appreciate it. Everyone that goes follow me over there, you guys are absolute studs. You guys are absolute friggin' studs. We got 115 likes and 90 likes on a couple of these photos. So pretty nice stuff, man. I gotta take some pics of me in Miami. I need some new fresh pics. Some new fresh pics down in Miami. Posting those on the IG. Oh, hey, Outcast. That's what it is. Hey, from Outcast. You guys remember that song? That was a friggin' classic. I haven't heard that song in years, man. I don't know why I randomly thought of that, too. All right. Come on, BTC. Wake up, man. Let's see if anything else is really pumping right now. Polygon, Harmony 1, Dent, Horizon looks like it's pumping, Engine Coin looks like it's pumping, Q Coin looks like it's pumping. Man, we're seeing alts go off right now. Looks like Voyager token's pumping. Man. We're seeing more altcoin season right now. Very clearly said, I'll meet you there. Pretty much, man. Very clearly. Yeah, I'll be in Miami from May 13th to May 16th. So like I said, guys, I won't be streaming for those what is it? 4 nights. I won't be streaming for those 4 nights. Maybe I'll do an early stream on the May 13th because my flight's not till 2. So maybe I'll do like a morning stream or something that day. But most likely I probably won't be streaming the 14th, the 15th, and the 16th, unfortunately. But I will be down in Miami. So it's kind of a nice trade-off. Hopefully Bitcoin's at 100K at that point. Hopefully. We'll see. Ladies, you guys can't all meet me there, all right? You guys can't all meet me there. But hey, I do have friends too. So I'm only one, but I do have friends. But 2511. Come on, BTZ. All right, what do we got in the chat, guys? And what's pumping right now? And don't be lying. Neo's trying to break. Instagram those Miami bikini girls. Oh, 100%. You guys know your boy. You can probably tell by how I am. It's gonna be getting some of those Miami girls down there. You already know. Okay, come on now. Who do you think you're talking to here? All right. Anyways, yeah, Neo looks like it's trying to get it's bow above its 4-hour EMA. So we'll see what Neo does here. The volume's getting extremely low on Neo. You probably see a breakout relatively soon here for Neo. Matic is pumping still. Matic. Holy crap, man. The dildo. Let's go to the daily time frame. Holy. We got back-to-back dildos. Back-to-back dildos.
Strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Next target, 69 cents. How convenient. 2 green dildos. I guess it's not really convenient. It kind of doesn't make sense. 69 cents is your next target for the next green dildo. 69 friggin' cents, man. Andre said you have 1K friends here. Absolutely, I have 1K friends here. You guys are the best. The Instagram girls are going to jump him in Miami for always trash talking them. Oh, 100%. 100%. 100%. The friggin' Miami girls, man. Most of those girls are kind of trashy. I mean, like, I have some standards. At least I do now. I mean, myself back in my college days, a couple of years ago, maybe didn't have the highest standards, but now my standards are pretty damn high. So you ain't getting near me with no trashy bikini stuff. I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but yeah, should be a good time down there. Matic just continues to go up though. Like what a dildo for Matic. What a freaking dildo. 69 cents. $24 beers in a crate, 24 hours in a day. Coincidence? Oh, 100%. Andre, you know your boy is going to be a degenerate. So I'm a lot better now. I'm not like I used to be kind of a degenerate. I'm a lot better now, okay? I actually don't even drink that much anymore. I maybe only drink maybe once or twice a month, maybe if that. But you know your boy in Miami will be posting some funny stuff on Instagram. You guys know the funny Instagram stories will be coming out down there. So you guys probably are going to want to be following me over here so you guys can see the carnage that's going to be going on down in Miami. So make sure you guys are following me over there. Seriously. Link's in the description. Link is in the goddamn description. I am hodling. All right. VeChain was done 24 minutes ago. Thank you, Jazz. You're always the best. I'm late, but 69 cents. Nice. Ethereum looking likely to break its resistance. Yeah, I mean, Ethereum's right there, right? I mean, it's now back below 2520, 2520. It's now back below that level. But if you can get back above that level, 2616 is your next level for Ethereum. Okay. Evan, what's going on, Evan? You said check Hive. Yeah, I mean Hive. I think Hive was going off earlier, right? Holy dildo, man.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Come get some safe, moon hat. Look at that dildo, man. 83.94 is your next target, Evan. Holy crap, man. Actually, sorry, it's more like 85.80, but damn, dude. That is quite a dildo. It's crazy, man. All right. We need BTC to start doing something. We need Ethereum to start doing something. Let's check out the. Let's see what the Bitcoin dominance is doing, guys. While we have a second. Dennis wanted Bitcoin Cash. We'll take out Bitcoin Cash too. Check out the Bitcoin dominance. I'm assuming the Bitcoin dominance is continuing down as we probably speak right now.
We are Team Coin in my best 300 Spartan voice.
Bitcoin dominance. What is going on with this guy? Zoom out here. Come get some safe, Moonhead. Yeah. Bitcoin dominance continuing. Looks like it's continuing to plunge here. Look at this big red dildo on the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Like, you broke this huge support. Now you got to try to hold 49.88 is probably your next move down for the Bitcoin dominance. You probably see alts catch up on Bitcoin a little bit. I'm expecting probably a relief bounce at this area, though. I think Bitcoin's due for its next kind of overtaking of alts, at least temporarily, right? Where maybe we temporarily come back up, get rejected, and then have another alt season. But I do think Bitcoin's due for catching up on this dominance, or at least having a bounce, right? Because this is getting kind of insane now. Looking very much like 2017. But even in 2017, you had slight upticks on the Bitcoin dominance, like a couple times. This one's just like pure carnage. Pure freaking carnage. Thanks, Andre, man. Appreciate it.
Thanks for the stream.
Gianni made it home from work. There you go, Gianni. That's a man. That's how you do it, man. Good job putting in the work, dude. Glad you have you in here, Johnny. Hold on. I gotta catch up on some of these super chats, guys. Dennis said Bitcoin Cash. What's going on with Bitcoin Cash? BCH. Let's use the Kraken chat. Why not? Bitcoin Cash not looking bad. We talked about it a little bit earlier. Yeah, I mean, this is just a big area. You need to get like a big momentum here.
You recommend for easy deposits and withdrawals. Where do you see Baychain and Cardano by the end of the year?
What wallet?
Keep up the good work.
I mean, I would use Coinbase wallet's not bad, and MetaMask wallet's not bad. And and you could honestly hold some of your crypto on Binance too. I mean, it's been pretty secure, at least for the past few years. You know what I mean? Yeah, but Bitcoin Cash, big old support throughout this whole area. Now flipping as new resistance. So if you can get back above that, still looks pretty good. But as of now, you just can't do it yet. Having a tough time getting over there, you know. But you are making higher lows, so you kind of have like a little symmetrical triangle type pattern coming on here. So I do expect you to eventually move up here, but Bitcoin Cash follows Bitcoin almost to a T a lot of the time. So watch what BTC does for Bitcoin Cash. Most of the Bitcoin coins kind of follow each other for the most part. Not really like Bitcoin Gold, but Squiggy said, "We are Taint Coin," in my best 300 Spartan voice. We are Taint Coin. We are Taint Coin. Thoughts on SC? Thanks for the stream. Yeah, we'll check out SC. We find deals for you. You find deals for me? Okay. Sounds good. SC. Man, looks almost the same as Bitcoin Cash. It's kind of funny. Yeah, so you're at a big resistance looking back here from April 4th. Yeah, April 4th, April 5th. Big resistance looking back here. Let's see what you got. You are making higher lows. So same type of kind of thing. It looks like more like this one's in more of a, maybe more of a rising wedge. It's not perfect, but you can see the general sentiment there. I mean, I wouldn't even call it that, honestly, dude. That's kind of a stretch. You get back up before our EMA. Now, if you break this level, you need to get back. Basically, you're gonna pop back up to 3.9 cents. If you break 3.9 cents for SC, probably going back to 4.8. So, a couple levels there for SC you can be going up to, but still looks pretty bullish, making higher lows. All right. Where do you see VeChain and Cardano by the end of the year? VeChain and Cardano, well, they're at relatively. So Cardano is right. Cardano, I could see reaching $10 pretty easily this cycle. I think $10 might even be a low shot for Cardano. VeChain right now sitting at about 18 cents. Same type of thing. I can see VeChain doing about a 10x from here. I could see it around a $2 VeChain as well, pretty damn easily, in my opinion. But only time will tell. Only time will tell. if that does happen, I think we'll all be sitting pretty damn good. We'll all be sitting here looking all pretty damn good, right?
Please check Bitcoin Gold for Johnny Freedom.
Please check Bitcoin Gold for Johnny Freedom. Sure thing, man. You guys are spreading the love today for each other today. Seems like. BCH. Oh, Bitcoin Gold. My bad. What is this chart, man? Come on. Bitcoin Gold. There we go. Yeah, Bitcoin Gold looks like it's going. What's up, Brunswick? We'll take a look at Tron, man. Appreciate you, man. Happy Crypto Monday. Yeah, I wish Bitcoin and Ethereum were doing a little better, but I mean, the alts look like they're flying now, so that's good to see. Bitcoin Gold looks like it's about ready to go. It's about ready to go, man. Probably looks better on the daily too. Yeah. Look at Bitcoin Gold. On the daily time frame, it looks like you're going to go back up to 94.28 pretty easily here. Daily looks really freaking good. Get back above your 20-day moving average. Pretty conversely there. You break there. Probably retest your highs. So 94.28, 114.39 next targets for Bitcoin Gold. But getting it back, that was super bullish in the medium term. Super bullish.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, I mean the daily time frame for Bitcoin Gold just looked really good, man. Like, yeah, it's some crazy bullish divergence here on the daily chart too, from your two previous lows. Like, insane bullish divergence. So this should push you up pretty damn high here. So we'll see what happens, but classic bullish divergence on the RSI. It's good to see. What do we got here? Happy Crypto. Yeah, take a look at Tron from Brunswick. See what Tronny boy's doing. Tronny boy. I don't know why I'm saying it like that, but you guys are probably used to me by now. I mean, you got the general sentiment. Let's see. Switch back to the 4 hour. The daily looks really good. The 4 hour, you're getting stuck at this resistance. Previous support, like the same a lot of other altcoins. Previous support, now flipping as resistance. If you can get back above that, though, you're looking pretty damn good. You're looking pretty damn good. Tron's not pumping the same as other altcoins are, but look for a move back up to 1244. And if you break 1244, probably back up to 14.7 for Tron. The daily looks even better for Tron. Yeah, daily looks so good, man. Look at this bullish engulfing candle on the daily. You're right at your 20 on the daily moving average here, this yellow line. You're right at it. You break that, you're going, dude. You're going. But bullish divergence on the daily, that's some spank coin. $52,733. BTC needs to wake up, man. The two alts that I own are not pumping, OGN and BAT. Yeah, it's kind of how it works, man. It's kind of how it works. I mean, nothing I hold really pumping that much today. I mean, VeChain did all right today, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Chainlink have been kind of chilling, unfortunately. So I think the big caps will have its day eventually. You know what I mean? Algo said, spank, spank. Tron 3 is in the works. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I've heard about that. I don't know if I love Tron, but like I said, I was bullish on the charts a couple months ago, and you guys could see what it did. sometimes you got to put your feelings from the project aside from what it says on the charts, because the technicals could say one thing, you could hate the coin, right? It's kind of like XRP a couple months ago, guys, where I was talking crap about XRP, but I did say the charts look super bullish. I just can't buy XRP because of my hatred of it, okay? And then I kind of regret not buying it, even though the technicals looked so good and it pumped from, what, 30 cents all the way up to $2. You can't win them all, man.
For CHC, I think. Not sure if they mean chilies or need crackers. Face.
If they need chilies or crackers, yeah, I'll check it out. Chilies. Yeah, so the head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hour played out. Head and shoulders on the 4 hour played out. Last time we looked at it, looks like. Now it just looks like every other altcoin. You take from, yeah, you get a general resistance line coming down. You break that, you're looking pretty damn good, though. You're looking pretty damn good. Not quite at the cum rocket level, but mostly at the spank coin level. Yeah, I mean, maybe you can say maybe you're coming up like this. Yeah, I mean, that makes a little sense. But yeah, looks like you're consolidating here. Expect a pretty decent sized move over the course of the, probably at some point tomorrow, most likely. You probably get a decent move to the upside or downside. A lot of it's probably going to have to do with Bitcoin, though. A lot of these NFT projects aren't doing that great because obviously they had giant run-ups earlier in the year, but I do expect some of these NFT projects to start playing out. We're seeing the same type of price movement for Chili's. We've seen the same type of price movement for Decentraland, right? I mean, we've seen all these NFT projects kind of taking a hit lately, but like I said, NFTs aren't going anywhere. I do expect NFT projects to start really going off again, and Chili's is one of the Queen of the Cups there. Your 4 hour EMA is coming up like this too, so I do expect you to make a move relatively soon for Chili's. If you break to the upside, probably look for at least a move back up to 58 cents. All right, let's see what we got in the Discord here. Oh, I forgot to update the Crypto Madness tournament today. Crypto Madness tournament. I'll do this at the end of the stream. I'll update the Crypto Madness tournament at the end of the stream, live, and then we'll look at some of our predictions. But I'll do it at the end though. Not right now though, because a lot of people probably don't want to watch me put the scores in. So I'll do that right at the end. Let's see. TKO, Chris Eck want a PMON. Yeah, we'll check out PMON. We'll check out PMON, man. PMON, is it doing anything today? What did I just type? 1940. No, PMON's kind of dropped. PMON's kind of dropped a good amount. PMON's definitely dropped a good amount. Look at the charts of PMON. I mean, it's typical NFT project, right? But I mean, what I'm seeing here though, like if you draw it like this, look at what you're doing here for PMON, right? I'm not saying to buy it or anything, but look what you're doing here. So not only did you break this resistance to the downside, you broke the resistance, you pumped, you got a big green dildo to the upside, you back tested it as support, right? So you flipped your old resistance as new support. And then also in the meantime here, you also did have a nice cup and handle pattern bottom here. Nice cup and handle pattern. Now you're rounding out that handle. So if you break this handle to the upside for PMON, all of a sudden, a coin that looked like absolute dog crap also doesn't look too bad. We'd put your target upwards of right at like 26 cents. Or 26 bucks for PMON. So it doesn't look too bad there. You also had kind of an Adam and Eve bottom, right? Yeah, your Adam and your Eve bottom too. So, I mean, looking like it bottomed out. It's looking like it bottomed out. So, we'll see what happens with PMON, but maybe the charts do look like it's ready for reversal, but we'll see. We'll see. Crypto like I do. Crypto like I do. Scraggy. All right, 53,800. Crypto like I
do. Crypto like I do.
Crypto like I do. Crypto like I do. All right. We'll probably do a few more, guys. I mean, not a lot of we're getting some pumps, but not a lot of craziness going on as far as the bigger cap altcoins today. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm here every day from 7 to 10 p.m. So make sure you guys don't miss out on any streams, and make sure you guys leave a subscribe before you guys go. That would be pretty friggin' awesome. As Alex Zioli said, can you look at New Cipher? Yeah, dude.
Can you look at New Cipher, please?
New Cipher. Yeah, New Cipher broke out. It looks like it's going to continue up. So, New Cipher, your next target is 54 cents. Now, I did say after this initial pump, it is probably somewhat likely maybe come back down and back test this as support first, and then continue up to your next target, which is up here at 54.5 cents. Don't be surprised if that happens, but New Cipher breaking out too. So New Cipher looks really good. Really good. Really nice little altcoin breakout there. We're seeing, like I said, we're seeing a ton of these altcoins breaking out, guys. Ton of these altcoins breaking out. All right, guys. Seeing BTC 53,820. Let's see if BTC has one more rip in it left, and then we'll see what goes down here. See what goes down here. New Cipher has had a bad month. Maybe it can finally redeem itself. Yeah, I mean, New Cipher's looking really good, Gianni. Looking really good, man. Looks like 54 cents is coming next for New Cipher. Really does. When will Coinbase put more coins on the market? Whenever they want to, man. Coinbase does what it wants to do. We know this. And there goes my camera, guys. All right. My camera just died, guys, so I'm probably going to call it a stream because I'm not going to sit here with no camera, guys. But I hope you guys did enjoy the stream. Like I said, if you guys want to subscribe before you go, that would be really friggin' awesome. Appreciate all you guys coming out today. It was an awesome stream. Wish we had a little bit better of price action going on here, but I appreciate it. I'm gonna update the Crypto Madness games right now if you guys want to stand by and watch for a second. But if you guys don't, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna update this right here just for a second. Let's see what we got as far as our winners today. Let me do this. So Algorand. Have a good evening, guys. Take it easy. So Algorand versus Stellar. Let's see what Algorand versus Stellar. Stellar was up 15%, and Algorand was up 12%. So Stellar takes the dub here. Stellar takes the dub. Or sorry, Stellar takes the dub. 12% versus 15%. Congratulations on Stellar. Next one was Crypto.com versus Ravencoin. See what's going on with Crypto.com versus Ravencoin. Crypto.com is 10%, and then Ravencoin was, where's Raven? I know Raven's towards the bottom here. 22.90. So Ravencoin takes the dub there. Ravencoin 22.90. Crypto.com, I think it was like what, 12 or something like that. Ravencoin takes the dub. Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin. What a matchup there, guys, in round 3. Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin. Let's see what we got here. These are up towards the top. Bitcoin Cash up 9.68 and Bitcoin up 8.69. So Bitcoin Cash beats out Bitcoin by a percentage. I'm just going to put on Bitcoin Cash there. And then Solana versus Sia Coin. Last matchup here. A lot of people watching me do this right now. Solana versus Sia Coin. Solana up to number 13 on CoinMarketCap. Down 5% today, so most likely Sia Coin's going to advance. Where's Sia Coin? Yeah, up 18% today. So Sia Coin advances. So we have Bitcoin Cash, Sia Coin, Stellar, and Ravencoin. Let's refresh some of these predictions here. Let me save this. And then we're going to refresh this. So it should refresh there. Let's see. I don't think that did anything. Hold on. Let's refresh that.
We love you, Jordan. We are Taintcoin Nation.
Taintcoin Nation. Come on, update. Taintcoin Nation. All right, this may take a while to update. This may take a couple minutes to update. I'm not sure how long this takes to update for all you but it is saved. It is saved here. But it might take a little while to update, guys. But anyways, I don't know if you guys want me to wait for this to update or not, but we're waiting here. See. I'll give it one more refresh. Yeah, guys. So we might have to check out the standings maybe tomorrow. But I mean, obviously, you guys know if you pick these coins, Stellar, Ravencoin, Bitcoin Cash, Sia Coin. So if you pick those coins, obviously you got more points, but it's not refreshing right now. So maybe I'll post it in the Discord after. But it's been real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll be hanging out in the Discord after, guys. Go check out AlgoApe's stream. AlgoApe's going to stream. We're all probably going to hang out in the Discord, and he's going to be streaming some charts and some shenanigans that he usually does. So go check out his stream, guys, and I'll be hanging out over there most likely. I'll catch you guys over there. Peace out, guys.